Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Coinbase Wallet. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and ensure you have a funded funding source ready, like a connected bank or crypto transfer. Next, confirm network and token compatibility before purchasing. Review gas fees and set a comfortable slippage tolerance. Always double-check the destination address for accuracy and back up your recovery phrase securely on paper or a hardware device. Start by creating or restoring your Coinbase wallet and writing down your recovery phrase in a secure location. Set a strong passcode and enable biometrics for convenience. Link a bank card or prepare a crypto transfer so funds are ready. Check that your wallet supports the blockchain and token you plan to buy. Fund a small test transaction to confirm everything works before moving large amounts. When buying, pick the correct network and token to avoid irreversible mistakes. Check the token contract address for lesser-known assets. Review gas fee estimates and select an execution speed that balances cost and timeliness. Set a slippage tolerance that matches current market volatility. Confirm the final amount and destination address before approving the transaction. Monitor the transaction until it achieves the expected confirmations and appears in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.